Hi guys, it's Inflector, Alexis speaking, and today I'm going to show you how to attach an Excel spreadsheet to data feed your RVL script in Rapise. Let's go. So as usual, we are starting from scratch. We have some application. We're creating a new test. So we do the task end to end. Call it as a test attach spreadsheet. It should be cross-browser text. Choose web type and choose RVL language and start recording. Okay, I'm recording simplest possible scenario. Doing login and then doing logout and finish. So the script is ready, inserting recorded steps, and here it is. It's proper recording because data values are in the right column, so everything is ready to feed data. I just want to play it once to make sure that it was recorded properly and everything works as expected. That's it. Everything's fine. So now I'm going to input more data to this script, and this data I have it in a spreadsheet which is stored in my desktop. So I'm going to attach this spreadsheet to the test. So I'm switching to the Files tab, expanding scripts, and first I'm going to copy my Excel spreadsheet to a folder of this test. In general, if you have a test framework, then you have a directory structure, then you may just add your test right from its desired destination directory. In my case, destination folder would be the test folder itself. I'm just using RVL in Explorer to have the desired folder open in the Windows Explorer, and I'm going to copy the spreadsheet with expected values to that folder. So copy should be stored, not move, copy, paste. So I have Excel spreadsheet here. I'm adding it to the test. Its folder is different. Folder is this one. I'm going to that folder and selecting a file. Okay, so now it's a part of my test. I'm open it right here in Rapise. Actually, another scenario, if I don't have this predefined spreadsheet, I could just create it here using right-click, create spreadsheet. So this way I could add a spreadsheet right here and fill the values. Anyway, here is my input values. This is a spreadsheet with 3 columns. First is user, second is password. So now I'm going to attach this spreadsheet to my RVL script, adding few lines to have some space, and now using the map statement as a statement that I use to do anything related to data. A map type for this type of activity is range. Range means some set of cells from external spreadsheet. Name of the map is user logins, for example. Spreadsheet name is this one. I'm choosing this spreadsheet, copying its name, putting here. Here it is. Now additional params are from row and from column. 0, 0 is left upper corner, that's fine. and right bottom row and call are set to -1 each. This means read everything, read all rows available in the spreadsheet. So this is the most common scenario, unless you want to select some part of the script. In this mode, the first row will be assumed to contain column names, and I will refer and I could use them to refer the values from the corresponding cells. Now I'm going to use this map as usual. So I'm choosing data parameter type as user logins, which is map name, and now I'm expected to put column name here, but column names are not listed in this drop down. This is because this feature is not supported for range type of the map. And here is the short hint that could really help you in such situation. So one approach would be just to, if I remember column names, I could just type it, that's fine. Another approach, and I'm going to show it to you, is a trick that would help to simplify this task. So I'm defining another map just before my range map, and this map should be rows type. This means that it has column names defined right here in the script. And what I'm doing now, I'm assigning the same map name to this fake map. Oh, did it miss to copy? Copy. Paste. Something didn't work, so I just used. I don't need these rows. I'm just removing them, and I want to take column names right from here. I'm selecting 3 cells in the first row, and I'm pasting them here, and I'm done. So I'm defining the map of rows type with the same name, and it has only column names. And then I'm redefining this map as something mapping to external spreadsheet. In this case, it is lif users.xlsx. Okay, so now with this trick applied, if I choose data type to user logins, I will see this drop down filled with column name, so that may be a useful hint. So even if you lost this Excel and you want to redefine it from scratch for like different system or different installation, you know what columns you should have there, and you may recreate them. Okay, I'm using password here, and this is all. So I have a map, I have some piece that uses this map. I don't have loop yet. This means that this piece of code would just take the first entry from my map. And that's fine. I'm just going to play it for now to see if the first user is taken from this spreadsheet. The first user taken was username was null and the password was undefined. Let's see, we have either typo or something here. Username, user. It's not username, it's user, and that's good because I took column names from spreadsheet, and now with drop down I may use right value here. So it was just proof that my approach having this map was correct. And now it should take proper username and proper password and do login. This is just what it did. Now final step is to make loop through this map. This is something standard using loop. Loop type is map. Map name is user logins. Here it is. Now the body of the map is empty. I'm going to move this end statement after my script, so everything in my script becomes a part of loop body. So I'm doing copy, then deleting this row, maybe deleting a couple more rows, and pasting it here. So the end of loop now here after this step. Now what I expect to happen is that the script should take all entries from the spreadsheet and feed them to this login logic. Let's try. Okay, we have first entry, librarian. Next is, who's next? Visitor. And then 2 or 3 more users. So this is very trivial and simple scenario, and its goal was to just show a touching of the spreadsheet. I hope the idea is clear, so you may now use it. That's it. So we attached an external spreadsheet using map range statement, and we defined its column names using map rows defined before map range, and we implemented a loop to feed data from my spreadsheet into the test logic. I hope you will find this video sample useful. Thank you for attention and have a good day. Bye.